Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Uno game for iOS and Android. So this works in 2025, so let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to this website. It's called hexmods.com, and they have like a lot of modded apps and stuff. So once you're on the site, just go to the search bar basically and type in Uno. I believe it's on this website. And yeah, you should see the Uno app come up, so we're going to go ahead and press on it. This is obviously the Uno mod. So basically, guys, we're going to press the download button, and it is going to start to download the mod. So yeah, it is super cool, guys. This fully works, and yeah, so let's just let it download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. You get unlimited diamonds, unlimited coins. So anyway, guys, before it actually downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So this is where you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So make sure you do this, guys, or you will not get your Uno mod. So for instance, Family Island says down to complete level 10. TikTok says run for 30 seconds. There's a lot of people out there that will download these apps, but they won't read the instructions. So they will just download it and think, oh, I got my Uno mod. But no, it's not how it works. You got to actually read the instructions, and you're going to be good to go. So you just press tap to install. It brings you to the app store. You download the app. You're good to go. So incredibly important. So I actually usually do the Family Island one. So yeah, you just got to run it basically, and you're going to be all set. So it's very easy to complete this. So anyway, guys, once you're done, you should get your Uno mod in 2025. So be sure to try this out for yourself because it's super cool and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But if you're poor in this game, guys, you're never going to be rich unless you download a mod, because it's very hard to get money. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And peace out, guys.